Hey, I don't know what just happened there, but my camera blanked out. So this is part 2 of finding missing side lengths, and it kind of stinks because we only had 2 problems left to go. So I apologize for this, but part 2 is a separate video. Again, we're talking about finding missing side lengths. What I was going to point out was that on your homework, you might notice that some of the problems are set up with the triangles and all the side stuff given to you. Other problems are words, which you guys tend to hate words. A lot of times you get scared of the word problems. Don't be scared of them. They're not that bad. In fact, these ones are nice because they even tell you which sides we're talking about. So let's just read through the problem. It says, the hypotenuse is 12. An angle is 12 degrees. We want to find the side opposite the angle around the nearest hundredth. Well, just reading that, it's a lot of stuff, right? So why don't we draw ourselves a picture? We know we're working with right triangles. It's trig, so let's just draw a right triangle. Okay, the hypotenuse, which is over here, is 12, and I'm going to label it with an H because I want to remember that it's the hypotenuse. An angle, doesn't matter which one, it doesn't say which one specifically, so let's just mark one of them as 12 degrees. And I'm also going to put theta there. We want to find the side opposite the angle. So the angle of 12, the side opposite it is over here. This is what we're trying to find. And again, I'm going to put O for opposite. Why am I doing that? Because again, it's telling me O and H which function to use. We want to use sine. Sine of 12 degrees equals x over 12. All we have to do is multiply by 12 on both sides. X equals 12 times sine of 12 degrees, and that's what we want to type into the calculators. So we've got 12 times sine of 12. Our calculator says 2.49, round to the nearest hundredth, 2.494. So I need to look at this thousandth place. It will tell my 9 to stay the same. So 2.49 is our final solution for that problem. So let's do this. One last problem is for you guys to try out. Okay, again, remember, draw a picture for it. It's going to make your life a lot easier. Pause the video and resume when you're ready to check. Alright, let's see how you did on this one. We're going to draw our triangle real quick first. It says, the opposite side a given angle is 19, and the angle is 40. Well, I don't know which angle it is. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to make that one 40 and the side opposite as 19. We want to find the adjacent side. Well, the hypotenuse is over here. This is the adjacent side. That's my x. Remember, I have everything labeled, so I know now I'm looking for the function that uses O and A, which is tangent. Tangent of 40 equals 19 over x. It's one of these ones with the x on bottom. I'm going to multiply by x on both sides to clear it out. X times tangent of 40 equals 19. Divide by tan of 40. What I'm typing into my calculator is 19 divided by tangent of 40. So let's go back to the calculators. 19 divided by tangent of 40 gives us 22.643. Rounding to the nearest hundredth, that 3 tells the 4 to stay the same, so our final solution is 22.64. Alright, again, I apologize that this video got separated into 2 parts. I just don't really feel like remaking the entire video again. So, if you have any questions about any of these problems here all the way back, to where we started. Remember all this from the other video. If you got any questions with it, bring them into class, add them onto the website. Either I can help you out, or maybe one of your classmates reading the website can help you out. Either way, somebody's going to be able to help you. So we'll see you again in the next video.